Hi, my name is Franklin and I'm a new breeder. These are my four little budgies right here. The white one right there is Roxy. The other white and bluish like color. Her name is Maxie. The green one right here is uh, Charlie. The other one right there is Pierce. Inside it's Blueberry, and he's got a nice, good-looking wife. Her name is Mango. She's got Mango. She's got how many eggs? I think it's 6 eggs. Mango. Hey. She's got 6 eggs, like I think so. Hey, just move around, Mango. Hey, baby. She's got 6 eggs. And here's my favorite one. Her name is Ruby. The green one, his name is Felix. And that's their father, Sunshine. And here they got another pair. That's their mother, Baby. And 3 little brothers. Their name. Yeah.